So let's just rip these off again. Just a second. Okay, maybe it's happier going on that way. Let's have a look. Yeah, they'll be happier that way. Okay. Right, so negatives at the back there. That's it. And the positive and the piggyback one on the front there. I don't know if there'd be enough lead to lift that up. No. No, there isn't. Putting that suppressor over there. That'll do it. Right, now we can push that back on there. And it should go in nicely now. That's better. Right, there we are. Okay, just make sure these leads are all on nicely and the leads are properly out of the way. And we'll give that a quick test before we go any further, just to make sure. It's such a frustrating waste of time if you've got something not quite right in the off position. And all I want to do is a quick test on this to make sure that well, that's good enough to continue the reassembly. But before we do that, what I'd like to do, make sure the plug's out, is this grease is not mucky, but I'll just spread it on the track again. That's perfectly good grease. It's not mucky, it's not carboned up, it's not filthy. So we'll just spread the grease around the ring gear and put the grease back on the contacts of it there. Make sure they're all happy. Pop that on there. And now, just got to get a bit of rag to get the muck off my fingers here. And we can then carry on with the job. And there we are. That's that bit. This is not a full service on here. This is simply just to find the fault and fix it. Just to clean up, because she was a bit mucky with little Hetty here when she came in. So there we are. Now we've got to put the cover back on. Remember, this lug goes to the left hand side, so we put the right hand side on first, have a last look at all the connections, make sure they're pushed up, and we can push that on there like so. Now I know you've seen videos of, well, you may have seen videos of this being done in less than about 2 minutes. Well, it's not true. That's crap. That's alright if you've got a brand new machine and everything is hunky-dory, but in real life it's not, is it? You know it's not, I know it's not. So there we are, that's okay. And remember, when you put your Hetty, Henry, oh, what's the other names of them? Remember, you've got to put that in as well, okay? And these switch spaces there, that's that. Lift it up a bit, drop that in now, slide that in there. Your lead guide there, make sure that's down properly. Okay, put that, keep it tight together, put it anyway. And now we can screw him up. And as it torque's a bit higher than that, I like to keep it on about torque 3, 4, 5 at the most. That's better, so that you don't ruin the head of the screw, or worse still, rip out your plastic thread. That wouldn't do at all. There we are. Right, now with a bit of luck, that should be done now. And I'll give him a good clean up in a minute. And then we can say the repair is done. Now, this customer just wanted a repair done. Ah, look, see, it's not gone on right. See, I didn't think it was on right, so I'm going to take that off again. It's not plugged in. But these things happen, you see. You know, it does happen in real life, doesn't it? You know, you can make things look so simple and easy, but in actual fact, you do make little slip-ups, and it's important not to make that slip up, to get it just right. Is that going to go in for me? No, it isn't going to do it. So never mind, we'll take this right. I don't mind. It's only a minute job. Now, maybe this may have to go the other way up. I've always wondered if there was a difference on these, and sometimes there doesn't seem to be a difference at all, but maybe there just is a very discreet difference, and I think there's a chamfered edge on that. So you make sure you try it both ways, up and down, just to be sure that you haven't put it in a way which it doesn't want to go in. Right. Now, that's better. Right, so we'll give it another test now. Two-speed one. And there we are. It's got good suction on the motor there, so we know the fans are not blocked. And now all I've got to do is do the basic